Okay, this is 1977 Dodge Ramcharger. It is a factory 440 big block, four-wheel drive Ramcharger SE. There is no hard top, just a soft top. There is no rust on this beauty. I just scuffed it down and clear coated it as a patina truck. I think it looks awesome. It's got 32-inch tires on it. Spare is brand new. The other tires are a few years old, not that old. No rust. There's a video of the underneath of this truck online. Redid the interior, rug, seats have been redone, stereo. Everything works in this vehicle. All the lights, all the back dash lights, everything. It's all works. It's all been gone through. I mean, it's got tons of new parts on here. I added dual batteries. This is a factory equipped large alternator truck. It's got every accessory that you could imaginably possibly think of. It's got aluminum valve covers on it, hooker headers, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb. The radiator hoses have been all changed. Cooling system's been flushed. Brakes have been gone through. See the underneath of that, underneath the video for all that stuff. Air conditioning, I just I rebuilt the compressor and had to make up a low pressure air conditioning line. The air conditioner works fine. The cruise control is functioning, but it needs to be connected to the carb. So it is electronically functioning and vacuum functioning. It's no oil leaks, no rust. As you can see, it's got every possible gauge. It's fully loaded with the tack and all that. Idle's nice. Runs super smooth. Does have a slight header leak on the passenger side, but besides that, this truck doesn't need anything. No oil leaks, everything works. Lights, brakes are all done. Everything's been redone. There's no smoke. Has the thrush side exhaust, thrush floorboards with the side exhaust. Idle's nice, runs great. All right, if interested, give Dave a call at 772-321-1437 or dberinger at cfl.rr.com. No rust, patina clear coated truck, four-wheel drive, 440, very rare, not that many made throughout the years of Ramchargers and D100 pickups actually. So there it is. If you want something rare, nice, rust-free, there's one on eBay. The guy similar. It's not even a factory big block car. He wants 55 grand. His is painted and all that, but it's a 383. Well, it's not even a factory 440 truck. This thing, I'm asking 23 grand for it, and I think it's worth every penny. You know, if you like the way it looks and you just want to hop in and ride and go, this is it. If you feel like working on it for 2 years, this probably isn't your truck. All right, thanks.